Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the Realme NARZO 70 Pro 5G. This budget-friendly smartphone packs a punch with its impressive features. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. One of the standout features is the 50MP Sony IMX890 night vision camera with OIS. That's a pretty impressive sensor for this price range. The OIS ensures your shots are steady even in low light. The 8MP and 2MP lenses offer versatility for portraits and landscapes. And don't forget the 16MP front camera for stunning selfies. The NARZO 70 Pro 5G is a looker. It's the first in its segment to feature a glass design, giving it a premium feel. The 6.67-inch AMOLED HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate is smooth and vibrant, perfect for gaming and watching videos. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful processor that handles everyday tasks and light gaming with ease. The 5000 mAh battery ensures you can go about your day without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the 67W flash charge technology provides a quick boost when you need it. The Realme NARZO 70 Pro 5G is a solid choice for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with impressive features. The camera performance, sleek design, and long-lasting battery make it a compelling option. If you're on a tight budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this phone might be just what you're looking for.